this evil Lair project is inspired by Huey's Comics, the leader of Blaster Stashing, Mr. Pignips himself, the raccoon strangler of the Pacific Northwest. And he's a huge fan of Wolverine. So it only makes sense to make some Wolverine claws. That's right, we're going to make some Wolverine claws. Alright, the goals of this project is, one, they have to be able to cut, like slice and dice, so pineapple time, right? And what else do we need to do? Let's figure something else out cool with it. So yeah, ching. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these, and we're going to make 2 of them. And we're going to, you'll notice they're round. We got to square it out, flatten them down. We're basically making 6 knives, and then we're going to figure out some way to connect them here at the back. So these are going to be a lot smaller because Wolverine's claws, according to Marva Wicca, they're 17 inches long. I don't know why they're 17 inches long, because well, you can't look at the forearm, that's not 17 inches. So if they came in here, and let's say they go past the elbow, how does he, right? That doesn't work. So we got to shorten out the blades a little bit. What we're going to do is we'll put them right around that 9 to 8 inch in between there. They're not going to be perfectly even because, again, they were injected into his body and they come out. So perfection really wouldn't be the key there. So we need to make them savage, sharp, and maybe do something cool with them. I have something in my head. I just don't know if it's going to work, and I don't want to have to edit my intro. So we're going to go through this and make Wolverine claws. Okay, so first we're going to take the round, and we're going to make it square, and then we're going to flatten it. So throw it in the fork to see what happens. You know me, I'm not adding glow powder, but that doesn't mean we can't shine. The special thing that we're going to add to this is, if you've seen these little survival tool things where you can kind of create a spark. Wah, wah, wah. I'm going to mess up my camera, but that's funny. All right, so I want to put this in the claws, right? Things. I got to grind it out and then make one of these small enough to where hopefully it fits in there. So this will go into here, right? Bloop. And then that way when we scrape the claws together, maybe we can get a tiny spark out of it. It's probably not going to be huge, but I don't know. I just think it would be cool to do it. So we're going to do it. We're only going to put it in one claw, so it's one in one claw. So you just do the thing like that. That's the technical term for all you engineers out there. Let's see if it worked. All right. All right, let's check it out. Oh, that didn't make it. today's superhero. Wolverine. That's pretty cool. I like that. I like the way they came out. That's nice sound. Okay, so needless to say, this was a fun build for me. These are kind of just ridiculous, and they make little sparks. They're sharp. They punch. They hurt though. Wear gloves. But other than that, X-Man. This was fun. So Huey, thank you for all that you do in the comic book community. We're going to get these out to you after I clean them up and not make them sticky. And we'll get these out to you next week. Hey guys, what did you think about this video? What should I be building in the evil lair? I need your help. I'm running out of ideas. So if you got a comment down below, definitely let me know. And we'll do some cool stuff together. That sounds cool. Alright guys, catch you on the next one. Adios. Quick pro tip for all the guys out there. Got some leftover spaghetti, but you don't want to do dishes? Store it in some bullshit Tupperware and eat it with chopsticks from a takeout restaurant. Italiano. Mixture of cultures. And if your wife's like, don't use my kid Tupperware. Spiral one. Tupperware. Yeah. Should have got some cabbage, made some coleslaw.